Music is in my DNA. I come from a family of musicians. Each instrument has to be tuned. The mix has to be right. Yo crecí en Puerto Rico. La comida y la música son expresiones del artista. I'm an artist. You give me an instrument, and I'll make art with it. My style of cooking is, I'm gonna say, rock and roll. It goes all the way from Asian cuisine to Spanish cuisine to Indonesian. The world is my oyster. I got accepted to Berkeley Music School, but I decided to pursue my other passion. I've been playing guitar since I was the age of 7. My connection between music and food is very strong. Experimentation, improvisation, share motifs between food and music. The tomato is one of my proudest creations. We puree heirloom tomatoes and we make a jelly out of it. We take the Buratina and we hide it inside the tomato. It's an optical illusion. When you see this dish, it looks like a garden. When you break it open, you build the flavors in your mouth depending on how you eat it. My kitchen is my band.
So we got the white asparagus.
Chef Jeremy is the executive sous chef for Waldorf Astoria.
Really good.
He loves music too.
Sweet, earthy. Yeah, I think the flavor of that licorice root.
We talk about dishes, we talk about food, we talk about life. We talk about the future, what can we do for the menu.
This here to give a little bit of texture. All right, I think we got a dish.
Me and Jeremy share the same love and interest for these funky ingredients that we get seasonal, and we geek out about it.
Yeah, kind of nutty.
Beautiful to see people like that work hard and have a passion for food and these special ingredients, like Kevin from Tartufo Prestige.
These are not easy to get.
I have seen him grow in this empire for 10 years. He always had the best truffle from Italy, New Zealand, all the way to Spain. Chef Bernard, he's the director of Culinary for Waldorf Astoria Orlando. He has been a great mentor of mine.
The highlight of the menu.
I've learned a lot from him.
What you have grown.
He's actually a certified Master Chef France. We source out the best ingredients that we can offer here at Waldorf Astoria
It
Orlando.
actually tastes like an orange carrot, the purple carrot. It grows on trees.
Chef Bernard gave me the opportunity to renovate this restaurant and change the menu after 13 years.
What's coming into season.
Leah and I, we talk about wine pairings, recaps of the restaurant, and new dishes that we're developing.
When you go to the farm, can you get some ramps for the bar? That would be really cool.
I wake up every day at 6 in the morning just so I can be there for my kids. I got 2 amazing daughters.
What are you gonna do at school today?
One is turning 12 and the other one is 6, and I have a third one coming on the way.
What about you, Penelope?
Love Hagrid. Mother, guess what?
My wife, she's an incredible singer. My kids, they're musicians too. Music is in my DNA and in theirs. Waldorf Astoria and Bull & Bear have a rich history of culinary excellence. Here at Bull & Bear, I have creative freedom. Florida is known for its citrus, so it's very big, and I like to showcase it in all my dishes. We get all the best seasonal ingredients that Florida can offer. It's important for a chef from Florida to showcase the citrus that is grown here. It's the best terrain for it. It's important to compose with it. The lemon here at Bull & Bear is one of the most innovative and signature dishes that we offer here. We take the lemon skin, we take everything out with this hybrid drill we make, and then we take the juice and make a sorbet out of it and a lemon curd out of it. Here we have the lemon and we're gonna prepare it for you. This magic bite that takes you to these flavors of sour, sweetness, and glory. The guests at Waldorf Astoria Orlando get to enjoy more than just a special dinner. It's an experience. We just try to give what we can offer to make the guests feel their stay at the Waldorf Astoria is the best experience they will get anywhere. Pull&Bear is my culinary opus. I want to touch that emotional aspect of people and have that connection. We take it and make it a journey where it shows an emotional connection. And when everything comes together, now we're jamming. My Chelsea, she's my rock. She's my #1 fan. She pushed me every day to be better, a better dad, better chef. My wife, she's an incredible singer. She was actually in American Idol at the age of 14.
Well, then you, good I'll do, good I'll do, oh, good I'll do.
I always question everything. Don't settle for what is offered to you. Take that thing and break it down 1,000 ways. The way each instrument make up a song, each ingredient mixed together are created to make something whole, something delicious. Everything is based on flavor profiles that I can see and visualize in my head like sound waves. What we do here is not easy, and we put a lot of love and passion into it.
How's everybody doing tonight?
We're modernizing the perception of Waldorf Astoria.
Well, you, the good I'll do, the good I'll do, oh, the good I'll do.